You sat down to study. You opened your notes, and then nothing. Your eyes go blurry, your brain feels like wet cement, and every single word on that page just slides right off. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You are exhausted. And nobody ever taught you what to actually do in that moment. Until right now. Here's what most people do when they're exhausted and they need to study. They either push through and absorb almost nothing, or they give up completely and feel guilty about it for the rest of the night. Both of those are wrong, because science actually tells us something most people have never heard. A tired brain is not a broken brain. It just needs a different approach. A 2021 study published in the journal Nature Neuroscience found that during rest, even short rest, the brain replays and locks in what it just learned at up to 20 times the speed of the original learning. That means how you handle your exhaustion is not separate from studying. It is part of studying. First, do a 10-minute power reset. Not a nap, not a scroll session, not coffee. Lie flat, close your eyes, and do nothing for 10 minutes. This is called Wakeful Rest, and researchers at the University of Edinburgh confirmed it dramatically boosts memory consolidation. Your brain is not wasting time. It is filing everything it already knows. Set a timer, don't touch your phone, just breathe. When you come back, you'll feel the difference. Second, switch to low-effort, high-return methods. When you're exhausted, reading new material is one of the worst things you can do. Your working memory is at about 50 to 60% capacity. Instead, switch to active recall. Close the book and just try to write down or say out loud everything you remember. This technique, proven by cognitive psychologist Henry Roediger in multiple studies, is literally more effective than rereading even when your brain is fresh. And it works even better when you're tired because it requires no new cognitive load, just retrieval. Third, use the 25-5 rhythm, but cheat it. You've probably heard of the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes on, 5 minutes off. But when you're exhausted, flip it. Do 15 minutes of focused study and 10 minutes of real rest. No screen during the break, just walk around, drink water, or stare out a window. This keeps your prefrontal cortex, the thinking part of your brain, from fully shutting down. Neuroscientist Andrew Huberman's research confirms that deliberate non-sleep rest between learning sessions significantly improves performance and retention. You're not slacking, you're being smart. Fourth, and this one nobody talks about, study with your body, not just your mind. When you're exhausted, sitting still in a chair is one of the hardest things to do, so don't. Walk slowly while you review flashcards. Say your notes out loud like you're teaching someone. Stand up. Move. Research from Stanford University shows that walking increases creative output and information processing by up to 81%. Your body is not a distraction from learning. It is a learning tool. Here's the mindset shift that ties all of this together. You have been told your whole life that studying means sitting down, being still, and grinding through pain. But that idea is outdated. The most successful students, the highest performers, the people who actually remember what they study, they work with their brain's biology, not against it. Exhaustion is a signal, not a failure. And the moment you stop fighting it and start responding to it, everything changes. So the next time you sit down exhausted, remember, 10 minutes of wakeful rest, switch to active recall, use shorter study blocks, and get your body involved. That's it. That's the strategy no one ever handed you. If this actually helped you, hit that subscribe button, because I make videos for the people who are trying to grow even when everything feels heavy. And trust me, you belong here.